What's your name?
What's your name, sir? Because I'm gonna talk to you. I need to talk to you.
Hang on.
Where do I have to cross?
What's your name?
Why does that matter, bro? You don't have no reason to pull me over.
You're riding your bike the wrong way on the road.
Oh, I just crossed the street, sir.
Yeah, but you gotta follow.
Where I gotta cross? Tell me where I gotta cross. There's a somewhere where you gotta cross? Do I gotta go all the way to a corner?
All right, you gonna ID or you're gonna go in handcuffs? It's up to you.
Nah, we're not. We're going.
Yes, you are.
I got a gun. I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you.
Stop! Shots fired. Shots fired. Stop!
Slow.